Because the man who protect you, yellow breast, your brothers as usual. And I think you want to job. Yawu Yambakua, Yambako school, maybe Sammy Jammy can Baba. Marshal Babakusi and Basso Bakusi, a secretary with Babaku. So, ya woman, we are not going to find Magua. It's Yayati, Yaniman Bako, a born must have a yellow breast, a born my rebel, will come your Kuni Park. Maybe so go be in Park, she's your collaboration, your own Vintina, or call my Western. It's a such was an atlas. They say I have a cat. But you say, I'm going to be because after all, no, you buy a son and sometimes years back before on my deputy didn't call a brother. No, a behind him said, Sani had a record and Sahari had a record. Yet this uncle for the choir could do a woman stranded. So we had been school kept because I got for sidewalk, Bassa. It is a Siano, a higher tenor. Ya bread was as you so. Ya bless, so yellow breast, and gonna fall walk. Ya brother gonna fall. It is a Siano, somebody says, I see you ever walk away. You're different. You're different. It's a devil, my sympathetic motion, yes, of one son. Naka was out with you, dear. Would you of one son? Hospital, a flag of who says, hospital, a hospital. Anytime I choose a senior hospital. Now, come and say, well, I did one says house to Roman for the bed is hospital for we Liberians. You understand? The bed is hospital for we Liberians. It's a debut because we can't say, I have to your boss. They should not be here. Yes, sir. Almost say, baby, next night. And free Ghana. Free Ghana. Sisi kopele bidatina. Yini ni waska. Sisi ha mi jira minister. Me be owie the course plan. After oye the national service. Don't be that's national service and so oye the juma mano. Am misuma me mabo kaje no school. Misuma ye biedi. It's also what you say see na higher one. You na gonna fa wo. It's the wo ya na ye mo higher ma. Ye mo higher ma. Yeah, baby, what's going on? It is a Ghana government already be here. On who say yellow breast, ya blow at ya black as a Gabu, come was a yellow breast from Gabu, and say, oh, but with your wife, so you better so you for a go. Get to stop saying, my first so for mass. This habit may you my packing woman that coming at the chef and come back. My packing woman that coming at you. Fit I run at him up to now. Be here. Ade, Yakuman had the same, but Yakuman had the same. Ade, what the baby I hear. Ghana for a good Liberia, sister Ghana for a good Liberia. Liberia is a town. You're in the town. And so call Liberia for the town. Senyata has a sea, we are Liberia, say. It is a wood tree and I say, celebrate for some who should go strike us a 2 of Shabbat. And the border on be a border no. Yeah, your feet say to me no, you have a cock. Or 1 meter of metal. It's a border on beer. Or won't be a border no. I'm a senior Moko. I'm a senior. It's yes, sir. Or won't be a border. Master me walk up. Tiberie. Get a mic, man. Yeah, what is the papa? What am I?
No, so why are you asking that? Because for a refugee there are three options. You are resettled to places like the United States or Europe, you are reintegrated into the society, or you are repatriated. United States is not taking refugees from here.
Now, it's integrated in your society. But when you're supposed to settle them.
Where is that? Like, who says that? Is that an agreement? You have that says that you have to.
I do have refugees in my country, and they resettle. They take immigration in my country, and they settle them. So as an integration, you have to settle the people there, find a place for them, give them job, give them access to job, give them access for them to be in the society, because they can't go back to their country. country. They're in your country.
But
how many years? 31 years. Good 31 years, 32 years. They are in your country and they decide not to go back due to certain reason. And they are here. And you say that they took that option to be integrated in your society. Where is the option? We get the job. Get the access to job. You see, our children should be in a society, go to school. But then you are telling them you come to break the calm down on them. Is it right?
So after today?
Yes. So we are not appealing for 4 months, 3 months. We want to tell them, say, let them put all in the society, let them put all in the society so we can get job, we can get access to work.
So where are you going to sleep tomorrow? Tomorrow, where are you going to sleep? Because after today.
I will stay on the street. I don't have any money to go and rest. I will stay on the street with my children because I'm a single mother. I don't have anywhere to go. Then my children will be here, will be on the street because that's why the people want us to be. We take their option to say we want to be in the system. Yeah, put us in the system so we can be in the system. Then you want to break house on us? Even when somebody in your house, and when somebody stay in your house for 2-3 years, that's the way you tell the people to go? No. You can't tell the people. We have other people here. We have people with children. And you are breaking care on them. We want for people to die.
Okay.
No one has nowhere to go.
All right.
Thank you very much.
In Ghana, when you say in Ghana, all the benefits you will get, nowhere. Because of language barrier. Even when you can speak the tree, you are still can't get job. You can't get job. When you go over where they will tell you, say, the weather you say you can do, Daniel can do it better than you.
So ahead of the exercise, what is your personal plan? What measures have you put in place?
The only plan for me and I guess for all of the Liberians here today, let the government come and break the camp. Let the camp break the camp. But before they break the camp, let them bring our 3 durable solutions. Resettlement, repatriation. That repatriation was never ended. They never ended it. The integrities never be benefited. Let them bring their benefits. Then the people who supposed to go for resettlement. Then you ain't come and get them out. What Ghana is delaying us? See, look at me. I was in my 40 when I came. 2 or 3. The last one brought me here. But look at me now. Why Ghana be treating Liberians like this?
All right, thank you.
Now, I want to say something to you. Please. In the 80s, 81, 82, if my memory can serve me well, Ghana government deported Liberians from here. And the title of that deportation was Unproductive Citizens.
Thank you.
They sent them to Liberia. And all the time when they send Liberians from here, more than 4 different times, Liberians don't react. But this time around, the refugees are now unproductive. We are now unproductive. Thank you.
You are gathered here. What do you make of the developments?
Actually, I'm very much sad. But based on the issue, there's issue that we have to discuss. More especially based on the tripartite agreement between Ghana, Liberia, and UNHCR. We know the issue and we've got to deal with the issue little by little. The integration package that being accomplished by Ghana Refugee Board and UNHCR. You say you integrate somebody into your society. I want to show you this.
Okay.
Can 840 city be a package to somebody? 840 cities. You say integrate somebody into your society. And that define the word integration. anybody that integrated into your society, they had a privilege compared to the citizen in that country.
So I'm a Ghanaian, I'm not Liberian. I'm fighting for Liberia.
This document was for the Interior Ministry, as you can see, by Ghana Regibo.
Show to the camera.
Testimony of legal resident status.
Okay.
This was issued in 2013 by Ghana Regibo, giving Liberian package, giving them money that yes, indeed they should integrate into the Liberian, into the Ghanaian society. Why are they doing this on Liberian? Since the integration package, they have never come back. They issue passport. The passport resident permit is fake. I can testify to that. We even went to the offices and told them. Now they are taking global solution during the tripartite agreement. They have repatriation, they have local integration, they have resettlement. Yeah. Now, the resettlement package, if you remember 2017, Liberia went to UNHCR office. They were there for 1 month. Metro TV covered it. I'm the one who spoke on Metro TV live. They said they will follow the case. Up to this time, Metro TV have never done anything about it. Now, as I'm talking to you right now, the demolition exercise, people in their houses are frustrated. We are appealing to the government of the country. We are appealing to the international community. We are appealing to UNHCR to come to the aid of Liberia. We know and what is happening into the country, but we are not trying to panic. We will remain kind a year from UNHCR, a year from Ghana Regibo.
Okay, but there's a memo from the assembly.
Go back.
Forcing residents here to vacate this particular area.
On the preparation that we are making, we told our people to remain kind. We told our people that yes, indeed, we are waiting on a day. All we do is to remain calm until the mean day reach. If the time reaches and they demolish the camp, let them carry on the exercise. It's just in our power. We never came up by ourselves. We have people who say, oh, it's with the Ghana government, with the Ghana Regibo. We are still waiting to hear from them. That's it. So if anything Ghana Regibo says to us, then we'll come to final conclusion.
All right.
Thank you very much. Hello. Hello. Thank you very much.
He's very untruthful, as Maria said. Then he says, many years ago, to live, because somebody whom you have given a house to stay, and he has been there for 3, 4, 5 months or 1 year. You can't just give him 3 weeks to live.
Yeah, no, the point is that some notice has been given. This discussion about this camp being closed down has been going on since 2012.
But this notice came 26th of August. Somebody cannot be in your land for a decade. Then you are giving him 3 weeks to live. Where do you want the person to go?
I mean, not to challenge you, but the refugees will tell you that the UNHCR and discussions have been had since last year, more than a year.
But this notice you're talking about came on the 26th of this month, 26th of August.
A follow-up to the other notices that have been given.
I'm saying this notice came 26th of August.
Yes.
And the 30th of September, just 1 month. So somebody cannot live in your land as an African, living here with his children, going to school and doing other things. So now you're giving him 3 weeks to live. Is it proper? Is it what Ghana Constitution or Ghana law says?
No. So now, the people who give the land say that after today the place is being demolished. So now, what are you going to do after September 30th?
I'm asking you as a Ghanaian, and you know the law, and you made the law. If somebody is renting in your house or in your land for 5, 6 years, do you give the person 1 month to live?
Today is the last day.
I'm asking you.
We can go back and forth.
That is what you said.
No, it's not what I said. It's not what I said. I didn't put a notice. Relax.
I'm saying you have given.
I have not given you anything. Well, the question I'm here to find out from you. Yes. A notice has been given by the local authority. I'm not the local authority. I didn't put a notice.
That notice.
So I'm asking you, September 30. Today there is demolition after today. What are you going to do? Let's move.
My dear, they don't have anywhere to go for now. You have to give them time to look for a better place to stay. You can't just give somebody 3 weeks to vacate.
So you have not been given the time. The time you've been given elapses today. What are you going to do? That's the question. Are you going to stay?
They don't have any place to go.
So you are going to stay?
They are going. Most of them are going to stay because they don't have no place to go.
Okay.
They don't have no place to go.
So essentially, you are the demolition exercise. The date that has been given, you are not going to leave after September 30th. You are going to stay.
I'm saying that many of them are not going to leave because they don't have no place to go.
Okay.
They don't have no place to go because within 3 weeks or 1 month is not enough for them to relocate.
Okay.
It is improper. And according to the Ghana Constitution or Ghana law, does not say you should give somebody 3 weeks. At least 3-4 months. You understand?
Okay. So now, essentially, you are not going to leave. That's essentially what you're saying.
I am not living on Bujumbura.
Okay.
But I'm saying on behalf of the Nigerians within this settlement, I don't think giving them 3 weeks to live is appropriate.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you very much.
I'm grateful. All right. So there you have it.
Tell them about the group. The drone is ready. The drone is
Hey, I think we should go back. Long time.
You